How to sign in to Microsoft Teams. So if you want to sign in to your Microsoft Teams, then first of all you need to download the application from your Play Store or your App Store, and after downloading the application you can simply open up your Teams, Microsoft Teams. And after opening the application, here you will have the sign in page, right? So under your sign in page you will have a first blank, which is enter your email address or your phone number. So you can simply enter your email address, or you can also enter your phone number, whichever you would like, or you can also join using your meeting ID. So for now I'll be using my email address, and after that simply tap on next. And now you have to enter your password. But if you have forgotten your password, then you will have an option of forgotten your password. You can simply tap on that and then you can reset your password, or you can also choose email code to your email address, or sign in with a different Microsoft account. So you can choose any of these options if you don't remember your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it, and then you can simply tap on sign in. So that's it. Now you have signed into your Microsoft Teams account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.